What's up? It's me, Sam, and Luis. We're installing a quick release and hub steering wheel to the Toyota Supra, and teaching you guys how to do it right now. First video on. First thing, you might want to unplug the battery. Don't mind the ghetto stick, but yeah. Unplug this. Unplug that one. Ooh, that one's tough, bro. What the hell? Oh. Hey, Nate, you made this. After you're done, go to the steering wheel. And as you see, there's a couple bolts under. You gotta take the whole back frame off. There's 4 bolts, 1, 2, I believe, and 3 and 4. And so that's what we're gonna do right now. Take those off. And here's one. Try to take the. Damn, I'm stuck. Just farted it out. Alright. Oh no, I guess it was just 2. That's that part. Oh, it is 4. And the back ones, the 2 back ones are gonna be little bolts, and the 2 front ones are gonna be big bolts. So try to not lose those. Otherwise, it'll be hard to do that. This steering wheel, you can make it back, forwards, however you want. You just gotta take off the bolts, whatever works. So you're gonna need a T30 for the 2 bolts that are gonna be here. Just pop off these little tabs right here. Like, you can pop it off. Okay. So you might want to save those if you want to resell your steering wheel. I don't know. And there's gonna be 1 bolt here and another one up there. So you need a T30 star and probably a ratchet, or if you got one, a little screwdriver that could just put the socket in there. Whichever one works, but I prefer the ratchet. If you got an extension, it would help out better. But yeah. Ooh, I'm stuck. This is just to take off the airbag first, and because with that you might blow up your whole steering wheel if you don't got your battery unplugged. So that's bad. So that's 1. And the other one up here too, pretty sure. Yep. That one you're gonna need an extension. So like a screwdriver. Ooh, this is tough. Can you pass me some clamps? The vice grip one. No, the grip one, the vice grip. Yeah. So if it's stuck and you just got a screwdriver, you just want to use one of these. What? Oh. Just gotta put this in first. Yeah. Move this. Just turn it. Oh man, it's stuck. I'll just do it with the ratchet. Just that my cruise control is bothering me. And now we go to the other side. This one I can do it with the ratchet again. If I can get it in there. Don't worry if the screws don't come out. The airbag will still come out. Just the screws are just little safety pins. Or you won't lose the screws basically. And it could just stay on the steering wheel. So that's another one. And after the 4 bolts are off, you can just pop this right off. But there's 2 cables usually. This one just has one in front. The other 2 are at the bottom. So this one you can just pop it right out. Like that. And then cables are stuck there. But just pop this one off. Screwdriver right here. One. And so then now you need to get the back ones next. I mean these front ones that are holding it in place. Take this big lug nut out. Make sure your steering wheel is centered, because when you put in the other one it won't be centered, and so now you got to center it. Centered. Remember to keep the key on, and then just so you can move the steering wheel freely. Check where it's at and everything. And then this is use an impact drill, because it'll be easier when you're taking it off. And then if you use a ratchet, you might move the steering wheel sideways. So impact drill will be better. Oh, that went there. And so now you're just gonna have to bang it to the sides. Should be coming off, but it's always stuck. Sometimes you need a hammer if you have one. Ooh, it's stuck. Oh, yo, it's stuck. Oh, so yeah, you just take it off. This plug-in had to be connected. Guess it wasn't, but that's that right here. Now you gotta take these 4 little bolts out, so you can take this hub out. and everything will be out and go and set. Make sure to not lose these for if you're selling your steering wheel again. Or it could be cheaper on the way, because you might have spent a lot on the custom steering wheel, so that'll be a relief. So like if you got one of these coin things, you could, you know, just hide them in there. Little pocket, you know. Alright, and then this comes off. It has 2 wires. This one you just pop off. Might be a bit hard. Whoa, that just came off. That wasn't supposed to come off. Whoa. I don't know. Oh, that's bad. Need a screwdriver. Pop that one out, and then on this other one, this other yellow one, you gotta cut that one off. So you're just gonna need one of these wire cutters. Just snip it off. That's that for this. Ugh, something sticky. Oh. Now I can get to installing the new stuff. Okay. Alright, so now this is the hub. It's from D&D Sports Performance. They gave me a lot of new stuff. Also, if you want to put the horn or just mute the airbag, these are the cables and the Allen key and stuff, and the bolts, air freshener if you want it. But yeah, now you want to make sure that this is, 1 is going up, 2 at the bottom. So here it is, 2 at the bottom, 1 on top. Make sure they line up too. When you put them in, with the D&D logo facing upwards. You gotta make sure the teeth align also. Did it go in? I gotta see, it's kinda hard. It's not going in. There you go. Now it's aligned. It's perfectly centered. These are just for the horn, the ground, and then the actual cable to the horn. These, they're not really important. But now that's in. Everything's there. And yeah. And now that you got the hub on, you gotta put the hub nut again back on. Use the impact. There you go, nice and tight. And so now it goes for the quick release. Just kind of nice. All right, the D&D logo got to go up with the D&D logo on top of here. You gotta make sure that aligns. Just try to make sure that the cables are in, because then it'll be a big bother. The hardware comes in already with it, so you ain't gotta worry about that. I think this is for the steering wheel. The other ones in here come with it. Pretty sure they're these. Yeah, they're these. So now you gotta take these out. Allen key comes with it, and put it in. These have threads inside of the hub, so you don't have to worry about using a washer or anything. So that's pretty nice. I was kind of wrong. This thing just moves around, so just try to see how it fits. I thought I bought the wrong one, but it wasn't. It was just I had it the wrong way. You could remove this out the way for it won't be bothering you when you put on the screws. Put that one in. This one. Let's get the D&D logo going up. And with the Allen key, just tighten them up. Make sure to not tighten them too much because you might drag the Allen key or the bolt. You don't want that. But make sure they're tight because then the quick release will be a release itself. Then it'll just come off. You got no more steering. This, you put it on the steering wheel. Where's my steering wheel? Oh yeah, steering wheel, D&D. You put this back here. Make sure it's aligned, because then if you don't align this one, you won't be able to align it anymore. So with this one, special package comes with the hub. Also, and this one comes with washers. And so now you got this straight. Make sure there's the teeth on the horn button, basically horn button. There's this big teeth right here. Make sure it fits on the teeth that's inside, because then otherwise you would have a steering wheel like that and be driving down the highway like that. So when you put it in, make sure. What way was it? Down. Oh. Oh. Well. Pretty sure. Did it lock in? Oh, this is gonna be hard now. Oh, there you go. So that's it right here. Still move that. Yep. I try to have my steering wheel to my wrist for it can still be the best comfortable ride, but that's it. Just want to remove it. There you go. That's the quick release.
I told her ride it like a rental, it's just a rental. I'm not with all the sentimentals, just keep it simple. You wanna know what I'm into, so you can get into it. I ain't tryna get into it, I done been through a lot of shit, been on my mental. I done been through it. Niggas say they gon' kill me, Nike just do it. Bitches say they want the real me, they sound real stupid.